this then how the home team is lining up. The manager's playing a 4-5-1 formation today. The striker picks it up. Long shot. Not the best effort there. Let's take another look at that. The sun is out and the football is reflecting that. The keeper hits the goal kick long. They have the ball again. He's cut it back inside. He loves to run with the ball. Striker's ball. He goes for goal. He got a good hand behind that. Let's take another look at that wonderful save. Possession, and now they're going to try and break. They're just looking to keep the ball. Oh, well intercepted. Good distribution. He's so skillful on the ball. And that's cleared up field then. Oh, that's great determination. Finds his teammate. Using the width. Oh, he's gone for it. Not the best effort there. Oh, easy decision here. Let's see that one again. Launched upfield by the keeper. Passed inside. Ball's crossed the line, it's out of play. He's headed the ball forward. He did well to win the ball back. That's nicely played. He steps up to steal the ball, and we're into stoppage time now. And the fourth official has indicated 2 minutes of stoppage time. At the striker's feet. Is this the moment? Oh, a chance now to turn defence into attack. He's hitting it long. This game really hasn't ignited yet. Which team are going to step up? This league encounter resumes now as we kick off for the second half. And he's back in possession. Jesus. He loves to run with the ball. Lovely passing here. And he plays the ball back. And there it is, goal! Oh, we won't tire of seeing that one again. Great stuff. And here's a build-up to that great goal. And the crowd are well behind their team now they've got their goal. We're back underway. Oh, that's great determination. Some safe passing from this team. Well intercepted. It's a throw-in. With the calibre of players on the bench, I'm not surprised the manager will be making some substitutions. He dribbles the ball forward. Passed well. Not a great challenge. Fernandez. Intercepted. What a well-timed tackle. A missed challenge there. Good ball. That's a rash challenge there. Distributes the play. Oh, a very badly timed challenge. That will be a booking. Yellow card. That's nicely played. Well intercepted. Great technique. Ooh, quality defending there. Poor attempt to win the ball. They're behind and they'll need to get something here with this attack. He must score, surely. Off the post. Jesus! Just needed a bit more composure to get that shot on target. The keeper hits the goal kick long. Headed on. It's tight, but a good call by the referee's assistant. Well, the fourth official has indicated 4 minutes of stoppage time. This could be costly. We're into time added on now. That's good link-up play. And it's full time here. The game settled by a single goal. Great performance by this player. He fully